Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel, Crypto Darkness. Before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. And don't forget to follow me on my social media here exactly. So today guys, we are going to talk about the Mypal, one of the best apps where you can get some virtual and physical cards with amazing price for sure, and you can buy anything in anywhere just with this Mypal. So guys, all you have to do is follow me from the beginning till the end to understand everything about this project. See you soon guys after this intro. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today we are here to explain a new platform where you can get virtual and physical cards. This is Mypal, as I mentioned in the intro. So a global payments and cross-border remittance becomes simple. So you can check here the multi-currency digital cards, fast settlement, and secure and compliant. You can check here that you can use it with PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, HK, Shopify, AliExpress, Amazon, etc. So we have some services. They provide the virtual card with only one USDT card opening, also a physical card for 17 USDT for shipping, and international remittance as you guys. And those are the platform where you can get it in the real time, deliver in 7 days, and fast cross, etc. So guys, it's really easy one. You can check here the languages are English and Chinese, I guess, and we have here it is trusted by user worldwide, more than 100,000 global users, 180 countries region covered, and it means that you are seeing my video, you can check it on your country. So it is mostly available on your country and more than 5 million daily volume. So guys, it is really a simple platform. You can check here some entertainment, some platform, and you can here check this FAQ if you have any question. So let's just start it. You can download it on Google Play, App Store, download it on your Android phone, and the H5 for sure. So guys, that's the app. It is available on any devices. So the strategy partner are here, and for sure you can check here the social media like Facebook, X, etc. So let's get started and get card right now. You can download it here as I mentioned before, but for me I will use my desktop browser. So put here your email, and you can just put my invitation code if you want, then you can just click next. So here is the dashboard. You can check it as it is really easily. So guys, we have here the wallet. You can check your balance. The card available are here, and for sure the transfer, it means that you can transfer from your crypto or your currencies country, and then you can just check here the account. First of all, you need to verify your identity, level 1 and level 2. It is so important to get your card. Then you can just ask for card. They have virtual card and physical card. So the physical card is not yet actively, but the virtual card is available. So I have my balance now $1, and I have already my account. So how you can do this, just apply your card here, and then you can check it here on the, you can pay with Google Pay or Apple Pay. Then you can just check here and pay now with one delivery information, guys. So it is really simple. I have already my account. You can check here the CCV, the PIN, the 3DS, and you can freeze it, and you can top up it when you can use it. So I have used it before with this one. As you see guys, I top up the card with $5, then 3.89 cents, and then I make a purchase. So guys, it is really a simple one. You can check here the availability, how you can top up. Just click here top up, and then select your network and your token like USDT or TRC20 or BIP20. Then you can just make a withdrawal from another exchange wallet to this wallet exactly. Just copy it and for example send $10 or $20. Then you can find here your account, your balance. After that, go and make an exchange between the USDT and USD like this, and then you can just buy your card and you can use it successfully. It is really an amazing platform where you can do a lot of things. So it is the platform supports the app supports a lot of countries: Asia, Europe, North America, North Africa, Africa, and for sure oceans. So guys, check it carefully. I will put the link under this video description, and you can check a lot of things for sure, and you can also use it to support a lot of countries. One more thing, you can also make a withdrawal to your wallet. For example, put your address, withdrawal amount, fund password, and then withdrawal. It means that the funds, you can make a deposit and you can also make a withdrawal. The funds, you control it as you see, guys. So everything is clear. Guys, I hope you like it. That's it, guys. I hope you like the video. I hope you invest on platform, and I will put the links under this video description and also in the first comment. See you soon, guys, and goodbye.